In this video, we're going to show you how to install the wheel well liner on your Kia Sorento located behind your front wheels. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and loosen and remove your lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Underneath the leading edge of the bumper here, you're going to locate two plastic retainers that need to come out. Now on our particular model, it's a Phillips head screwdriver in the center, or Phillips head screw in the center. Now these are plastic. I'm going to use my trim tool. And as I unthread, I'm going to pull it down. And once you get so far, then the base itself should pull out. Like so. Go ahead and set that aside. And then go ahead and grab the other one right up front here. Now around the inside of our wheel well liner, you're going to find a series of the same type of retainers. You want to pop out the center. There's one here, one on the top, and then one towards the fender lip itself. Now keep in mind these are all plastic. And they are subject to breaking. They can crack, they can just spin, they can fall apart. So be prepared if you do lose some of these or they break on you, you want to go ahead and replace them. With these three removed, let's go ahead and move to the back side. This here is just a basic screw itself. Now right up above this one here is another plastic button. Let's go ahead and get that one out. I'm using a flathead screwdriver for this one. More like a knob, if you want to refer to it. Something specific there. I'll go ahead and get your hands behind here. I'm going to gently pull this out. Make sure it is coming free. Now, chances are you're replacing your wheel well liner because it's broken or something like that. So at this point, just pull out the remainders of whatever you have, and then we're going to go ahead and discard that. Now, if you are pulling this out just because you need to access something, then this is what you're going to be doing. Go ahead and drop that out. Now that you have your fender liner out, now's the time to go ahead and clean out the wheel well area. If you have a bunch of debris like this, you definitely want to clear this out. If you have a garden hose, go ahead and blast this out, clear out any of this debris that's in here. This is the #1 cause for fender rot at the lower portion here. And I'm just digging this out, it's pretty deep. But go ahead and flush that out. Make sure everything is clean and ready for the installation of the new liner. I'm going to go ahead and start to line up our wheel well liner here. Just kind of tuck this up and in around the inside of the fender lip. And I'm going to go ahead and get the knob here lined up and get this started. Line this up, push it up and around. Go ahead and get my lower screw installed here. may do is line this up, push it up and around. I'm going to push this up inside our front fender well here. I'm going to pop a button into one of the front sections here. All right, we have that one pushed in, so that should hold the front end. Let's move to the back section again. Go ahead and get our screw installed here. And once it bottoms out, just snug it gently. And let's move up to the top and we'll install our plastic retainers up here. You want to make sure that your fender liner is on the outside of these tabs. So go ahead and just kind of pull that down, flex that up, down and around, and tuck that up inside. And once you do that, go ahead and line up your buttons. And snug that down gently. Go ahead and grab that wheel, line it up onto those wheel studs. Let's go ahead and get our lug nut started. Now once we get all of these started, we're going to come back and snug them all down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 75 foot-pounds. You want to do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.